In 2025, if AI doesn't cite your website in its answers, your brand is not visible enough. So today we're going to discover the game-changing strategy that's rewriting SEO forever. So it is called AI. AI and AEO is the new SEO. What does that stand for? It stands for Answer Engine Optimization. So basically, AEO focuses on optimizing your website's content and structure so that AI powered engines and chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity find your answers useful to directly cite or recommend in their conversational style responses. This includes creating best fit briefs, FAQs, testimonials, case studies, pricing info, and clear conversational content that positions your business as the authoritative choice. So, let's say, for example, someone goes on to Perplexity or ChatGPT and they say, hey, I want you to tell me about these three platforms or these three restaurants or these three, content editing tools. What are their prices? Or tell me about these three, the best three plumbing businesses within Dallas and what their prices are for XYZ. So that's why you need something like a pricing page and some of these other pages, because when you write that in the question answer format and you have these different pages, you're going to be more likely to be cited in these platforms. So, what are some things that you should put on the page itself? So one is, creating the best fit briefs. Okay, so short posts that directly answer questions, as I mentioned. Put them in your blog section and then build a top reasons series. So each service will get a post clearly listing the reasons your business is the best for that service, right? Because you want it to be like recommendation based. And then create the service or city combination posts for local businesses, highlighting expertise in specific locations. Also, you're going to want to use comparison tables to showcase why you are better than your competitors and multiple key categories such as pricing, as I mentioned, features, benefits, etc. What are some of the key website pages you should have? You should have an FAQ page that has dedicated answers. Okay. You should have the case studies, as I mentioned, or testimonials, reviews from customers that are, because you're trying to build trust here, but this is also going to be, pulled in from these AI engines. You're going to want to have the pricing page, as I mentioned, and highlight any unique selling point, whatever makes you stand out, and make sure you're formatting it in the ways that I mentioned earlier. So a few extra tips, you can focus on semantic search and contextual understanding. So basically, AI uses deep semantic understanding. It's not just keywords. Like remember, Google or search engines, they're focused on keywords, but ChatGPT is a more conversational style. So you need to focus on that in your website nowadays. The AI connects concepts, intent, and context, right? The importance of schema markup and structured data. So you want to identify areas for improvement within your organization or team. Think about what you could be doing internally to achieve better results and add as many items as you need. AI trusts signals beyond just links. Okay, so we know about traditional backlinks and SEO, but AI looks at how widely and positively your brand is mentioned and reviewed across multiple platforms. And then brand authority and recognition. So AEO is about establishing brand trust within AI ecosystems. So you want to turn your site into a go-to expert source that the AI confidently recommends. So those are some of the key concepts you want to know there. If you found this useful, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll go into more detail about SEO and GEO in one of our future videos.